Markup Tally is designed to be a standardized framework for recording committee votes in a machine-readable format, while still being customizable for each committee's preferences. Here on the left, we see an original tally sheet from the House Committee on Agriculture. Here on the right, we see the base template for our Markup Tally sheet. With our new tally sheet, each committee clerk can easily customize its contents to match the committee. First, they can select the committee's name. Then, they can select whether this tally sheet is for the full committee, or a specific subcommittee. Each committee is also able to directly add their logo to their sheet. Further down the tally sheet, clerks can add committee members' names with their desired order and titles. Once a clerk is satisfied with their tally sheet template, they can simply save the file, and make a copy whenever needed for future votes. Committees may also have preferences for the language used in their tally sheet. In the House Committee on Foreign Affairs, for example, they have a preference to use I and no instead of yay and nay. Thus, in the tally sheet, one can simply change the vote language with easy drop-down options. These then update the rest of the tally sheet according to these preferences. The Foreign Affairs Committee has different members, as well as a preference to list out the member's full name alongside their party and state. In either case, the overall structure of the tally sheet remains the same, allowing for easy access of vote information both by people and software. Once a template has been created, some cells can be locked. In this example with the House Committee on Rules, the cells that always remain the same from vote to vote have been locked, such as the committee's name and committee members. Now, only the cells that are needed for each vote are editable, making the form easy to fill out without making any unintended changes.